This is the Kingfisher Blue Mile Campout.
I'm feeling really excited to try rappelling for first time.
No, I'm not really nervous.
Right, everyone, things to remember regarding rappelling is body positioning. Make sure you're at least 45 degrees at an angle, yes? Another thing is your legs should be at shoulders width, and the left hand will come at the back, and that's your braking hand. So you've got your right hand, which is your guiding hand, so you can move to place left or right. The left hand here will brake. If you want to brake, just go around your waist, so you stop it. So right hand on the rope there, left hand at the back. Begin.
I felt my foot slipping. I slipped like around 10-15 times on the face of the rock. Halfway through, I got the hang of the technique, how to hop, and then I just did the whole thing.
Release and run back. Okay?
Right on, cowboy. Style salah, suni honi. To own it, you've really got to make it your own. Not here, my friends. ये style Blue Mile पे नहीं चलेगा. You can be cool and with it and down, but not when it's a cliff you're going down. Not when breaking the rules might mean broken bones.
Rappelling, which was again climbing down the hill with the help of a rope. And though I was initially a bit nervous, but I did it, and I want to do it again.
The experience was quite good. I saw the deep down mountains, Then I was quite nervous.
Some got the hang of it, hopping like some pahadi bakri. And the others just hung on. ओ पिंकी, टूटे नहीं, ये जो रस्सी है पकड़ी.
Rappelling was our first experience, and we had a great experience this time.
Yeah, and we were really nervous and then overcome the fear and just enjoyed every aspect of this adventure.
I'm pumped! I really want to go to Everest. It's my dream.
Pride comes before a fall, but lots of falls come before a free ride. If you're headed to Everest Base Camp.
Grab him, man!
Yay! Whoa!
Woohoo!
The music revolution coming from the northeast has made waves all across India. कभी-कभी ख्याल आता है कि rock and roll कुछ ऐसी ही जगह with huge rocks and rolling hills में पैदा हुआ होगा. Oh now, one thing's for sure, the guys and gals from Shillong rocked out at their camp out. They came in as rivals, they leave as friends, and that's always a win-win. Every camp out was tailor-made to transport you from the everyday to the extraordinary, to test and transform you. जानने के लिए कि आखिर किस कपड़े से कटे हो आप. याद रखना, a stitch in time saves 9, and a hitching line takes you to the final 9.
I am physically strong, and more than that, I'm mentally very strong. And I know I'm going to make it to that.
I can do anything to be there. I just want to be there, and I will be there whatsoever.
फाइनल का तो रट्टा लग गया है. आखिर में क्या बात हुई? कौन सी चट्टान चढ़ रहे हैं? All we are asking for is 9 folks fit enough in body and mind to get to the foot of Everest. Is that really so frightening? It's 115 kilometers from the beginning to end at Nepal's south side base camp. So you think you can do it? ऐसी बड़ी-बड़ी बातों को तो छोटे-छोटे हालात पहले टक्कर में ही हरा दें. What you didn't think about? Elevation, elevation, elevation. You start at nearly 10,000 feet in Lukla. और किसी का तो लुकला से ही बैड लक खराब है. अगर टमी ने नहीं दिया साथ, तो फिर आ जाएगी मम्मी की याद. And it doesn't get any easier as you ascend. Already, the altitude can mess with your head. By the time the thakan sets in, you're still on day one. And that you won your place to be here is the farthest thing from your mind. The closest you'll get to thoughts of any kind is how you're going to manage that next step. बड़ी-बड़ी बातें, दूर की बात, बड़ी सांसें लेने पे पूरा ध्यान आ जाता है. So, still thinking कि बाएं हाथ का खेल है. अपने पे भरोसा है तो ये दांव लगा ले. Try your luck. Though Kingfisher Blue Mile didn't leave much to luck, देश का हर कोना-कोना छांट के हम अपने विनर्स को चुनेंगे. Those that make it aren't the fastest or the fittest, but the boldest. Because base camp can only be conquered with willpower.
I definitely think I'll be one of the people going to the base camp.
I am determined.
And all our challenges were full power. Only 9 will make the final cut from 8 All India campouts. So you have to want it really bad. The good part is that you will have a whole lot of fun along the way. New day, new destination, same dream. Row that boat. And if you row really hard, you'll be in with Karnataka's Campout Stars.
When I think about base camp, I really get nervous. I'm an adventure seeker, so I just want to make it there.
There's miles to go before you find what you seek.
Heading to Himalaya, the base camp, is not going to be an easy job. I personally thought there was going to be a lot of physical strenuous activity coming by, and when I got here, I think I was right about it, because we did canoeing and kayaking and rappelling and a lot of team building activities where we were pushed to the limit because we had to prove our mettle.
And in Wayanad, only those with the will made their way ahead.
Whoever organized this camp has done a fantastic job. Most of the events were surpassed my expectations, and I had to literally sweat through. It was really a good job.
Most of my life I've spent on seas, seeing nothing, only blue waters. So this mountain is what always attracted me.
Is the pull of Everest strong enough to give you that extra spurt of energy, that final burst of focus?
From the south to the north, from the east to the west, the Kingfisher Blue Mile Challenge has been on a mission to find the strongest and fittest in India before crossing borders to reach the Mount Everest base camp. The question is, will they ever rest?
Our contestants can take a break, but there's no rest for the wicked. And wicked we have to be to cut so many of these brave and bold, fun and free-spirited souls. There were 8 campouts across India, with about 80 participants each. Maths, aap khud kar lena. Every time we think of all those great candidates, dil aur dimag dono dukhte hain. From each campout, our councillors and judges managed to pick between 5 and 10 folks with the potential to survive and thrive on the Blue Mile Mission Everest. Each of the shortlisted contenders then sent us a video entry, telling us and showing us why they wanted and needed to be in the final 9.
Hi, I'm Ann Matthias.
Hey, we're looking at Anuj Shah from Bangalore.
Hi, this is Ruthvi. I'm a travel blogger. I am a backpacker. I'm a nomad wanderer.
This is Prateek Panchamaya saying hello to you guys.
Hi, my name is Prerna Dangi. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Delhi.
Though I have never been on TV before, I've done quite a few live performances. That said, this is the show that I would ever want to be a part of.
Vikas Bora, 26. The beast from Bengaluru.
A trek of this stature doesn't need people who finish first. It needs people who finish along with the team.
Why should I be picked over anybody else? Well, the amount I love to travel, the amount I love to explore, well, the best proof is this particular tattoo that I've gotten myself.
It's not just the camera and flashing lights that has brought me here, but my love for adventure and my association with Kingfisher that you find me here.
Kingfisher Blue Mile Camp Trek means reaching new heights and conquering my dreams, which means climbing Mount Everest.
सभी वकील निकले, कोई बात मनाना इनसे सीखे.
Oh, so he's coming down like this. He has to be fully on the back.
We listened, we debated, we argued, and we scored. And we are happy to report that all our favorites made it. आए तो थे from Porbandar to Jalandhar, पर आखिर में जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Come back next week to find out who the finalists are on the Kingfisher Blue Mile Challenge.